Yes, sir. What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, really quickly, guys, I'm on a move today, but market has just closed. Another phenomenal week is in the books. And I just want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on today. If you haven't already, please consider joining us in the Discord. Link for that will be in the description below. I wanted to kick it off with a major salute to those of you that played Tesla and made money off of Tesla today. This morning, as well as in last night's video, I talked about the fact that this would have resistance above 130 or at 130. And if we can get through, we can make our way to 133, guys. Listen, please prepare for takeoff, as next week, if we hold this level, okay, meaning we back test and go ahead and see if we can now make what was once resistance turn into support, and now that 130 be a launching pad for us to go back to 133, 135, and ultimately, guys, 138. I want you guys to be looking out for that for next week. However, I want you still to be surgical and use patience and discernment on your journey, okay? With that being said, man, again, great job this week looking through the ebbs and flows of just how these plays move, guys. Tesla was a great example of, on one end, it was coming down to our support levels, 128, 125. It even overshot a little bit to 124 on yesterday before popping back up, guys, and making this move. And I talked about today, you would see some weird price action in the market with it being the OpX expirations date as it relates to options. And one reason is for that is because, guys, the third Friday of every month, you will have this during the last hour and the last 10 minutes of the trading day. And so that also served as enough momentum and juice for Tesla to make that last minute push. And not only Tesla, guys, the SPY did its thing on the day. Apple did its thing on a day, and various other plays, especially if you guys are on my money team, did its thing on today, but this entire week, guys. So listen, we want to build on success. We want to build on the positives and continue to make incremental progress each and every day on your journey, okay? So with that being said, what I want you guys to do is use the weekend. Use these next 2 days to begin to reflect, begin to look over the things you did that worked and look over the things you did that didn't work, so that we come into next week with the game plan, okay? We come in with a plan that we are going to attack. Matter of fact, I want you guys to do something that I do, okay? For these last 2 weeks, I've been choosing Apple as the stock that I want to make money with, okay? Of course, I make money off Tesla. Of course, I make money off of the SPY. I make money off of AMD, Nvidia, but Apple has been the main focal point. What I want you guys to do before you close out this video is pick at least one stock for yourself. One stock that's going to be your money maker for this upcoming week, okay? Once you pick out that one stock, I want you to do the DD on it, meaning I want you to go back over the course of this week, and if you need to go more historical, you can go back a month, 3 months, 6 months, or what you need to, and look over the levels that this stock or the stock you choose has been kind of occupying, the range, okay? And so this will help you kind of zero in and have a laser focus on the expected moves that your play can make on a given day, more importantly, on a given week, okay? And if you do that, guys, you begin to simplify the game. You begin to see, okay, this is not where I need to get in at. I need to wait. I need to be patient. I need to, you know what, insert my plan here, okay? Right now, this is when I strike. This is when I exit. You guys begin to piece your game together like that, and you will see that you will become more efficient on your journey, okay? And so listen, guys, Tesla did its thing. Tesla should continue to reward us a little more into next week, probably up until the Fed speaks in February, okay? But you always have to manage your risk, protect your capital, okay? And with that being said, that means be on the lookout for pullbacks. Be on the lookout for certain previous levels that we might have conquered. Be looking for them to be retested. Be looking for them to be revisited. because that's just simply how the game goes, okay? And if you can do that, you will see over time, you know what? When I learn to play the levels and when I learn to play my moves level to level, all of a sudden success comes a little bit more efficiently for myself on my journey, okay? And that's really what this is all about: managing your risk, capital preservation, and then guys, making sure you're executing consistently, but more importantly at a high level. So with that being said, guys, listen, we'll be right back to it over the course of this weekend. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. I also want to make sure that you guys are joining us for the weekly options if you want to make some extra money on your journey and knock some plays out the park that you might not hear me talk about on YouTube. Do not get it twisted, guys. I still have all the heat. I still have all the fire. A lot of that stuff, guys, is just in my weekly option plays, so you guys can have some easy money plays to make some money with, okay? With that being said, don't hesitate to join if you want to. Link for that is also in the description below. But more importantly, get in the Discord, guys, because we're earning and we're learning every single day. That's what sets us apart from everybody else in the game, okay? So if you want to join us on that journey, please consider doing so. We would love to add you as part of the family. But more importantly, I want to see you guys continue to grow. I want to see you guys continue to learn. I want to see you guys continue to make money. But more importantly, learn how to become true investors with a little bit of trading in your arsenal, just like your boy, okay? And then you can live a good life because you now will have a skill that you can scale and you can do whatever you choose or whatever you please, okay? That's the beauty of this game once you take the time to actually learn and master it, okay? With that being said, guys, listen, I want you guys to gear up for next week. We're gonna have our eye on Tesla, we're gonna have our eye on Netflix, and we're gonna have our eye on Apple. So 3 plays I want you guys to be on the lookout for. And of course, everything flows from the SPY, so we'll make sure we keep a macro view on what's happening there, so we know if we're going up, the SPY will be a leading indicator for that. If we're going down, the SPY will be a leading indicator for that as well, along with big, large cap companies like Apple, okay? But again, nevertheless, guys, around here we have a plan, and that's what we do best, is execute. With that being said, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.